I am at Stray Hill today, and I'm joined by a raft of our global colleagues looking at biofungicide options in our R&D pipeline. We're here in a potato plot looking at potential future options for both early and late blight, and having a discussion about what that looks like for the UK grower going forwards and what solutions we could offer to support. So as you can see, we don't have a lot of blight yet. I think we might be one of the last places in the country to actually get blight, but it is starting to come in on this untreated crop, as you can see here, and we do have a fair bit of stem blight in as well. So I don't think it'll be long before this trial takes off and goes very black and dead. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how this trial develops.
Good morning, James Kennedy here, Head of Business Development at UPL. This morning we are here in a field of potatoes looking at potato blight and the new chemistry we've got coming through in our MPP range with some really fantastic results. So there's some potential opportunities for great products coming through in the future.
So I'm here at Stray Hill with Mark Willis, who's the station manager here. Mark, what are you doing at Stray Hill this week? What are the key activities for you?
Key things we're working on right now are potato blight trials. We're still in potatoes right now, so sprays and assessing going on just as the blight's starting to take off and come through the crop. We're doing a lot of drainage work actually on the fields, trying to rectify some issues we've come across in last winter with the rainfall that we experienced and some flooding we've had, and harvest of course. So yeah, oilseed rape, barley, we're just waiting for our machines to keep going. And finally we'll start some bee work, some flowers about to be started, now we're coming into flower, and we'll get them going.
Brilliant,
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Right.
Big smile.
Okay. Introduce yourself first.
Good morning, my name's John Hall. I'm the European Marketing Manager for fungicides and biofungicides for UPL. Just to give some background on the trial here, we're working on a trial in sugar beet. We're working on precision application, so looking at reducing rates of pesticide at a good hit rate. We've had some good success so far. We've had three applications with various different parameters. But yeah, the precision technology is working well. We're getting good recognition of grasses and broadleaf weeds, and we're proving that we can save up to 60% in terms of chemistry and a hit rate of around 98%. So very much work in progress, but so far so good. And we're looking on utilising this algorithm, testing again next year, and then looking to see how we go commercial the year after that. So yeah.
Hi, I'm Tom Wheelhouse. I'm technical specialist for combinable crops for the UK. I'm here in Widnes having a look at a field trial that's been done comparing wheat fungicide programs with and without thiopron. So I'm here in Widnes on Ollie Harrison's farm and looking at a trial that he's been doing, testing out thiopron in his field. He's been doing a program with and without thiopron, and hopefully we'll see the differences when it comes to harvest. We've noticed quite considerable differences between the two areas. With thiopron, it's definitely showing that the flag leaf is still very much greener. There's probably 40% green leaf area still, compared to the areas without thiopron where the flag leaf has senesced completely.
So I'm here today with a contingent from the UK team, and we are at Sandbatch, the manufacturing facility for many of our herbicides here in the UK. So team, say hello.
Hello.
Hello. And we will show you around the factory. Fashion expert Grace is donning her high vis and beautiful safety goggles. So I'm here in the factory, and you can see just behind me, this is where all of our SC herbicides are made. We've just had a look round. Unfortunately I couldn't film for health and safety reasons, but most of our sugar beet herbicides are made there, certainly all of the ones for the UK, along with other key actives like diflufenican and flufenicet are formulated and packaged in there. And then just around the corner, you can't see it now, there is a little lab which analyses every batch that goes through the factory.
This is where we manufacture our sugar beet herbicides for the UK, and also this year we'll be launching the Easy Connect cap on our range of products, so that embracing the closed transfer system that's out there in the marketplace and driving the market forward to embrace this new technology. There's a huge wealth of experience in terms of the production here at Sandbatch. Many years of production, 30 years by some of the guys, and as a result they've got huge experience and attention to detail in terms of looking at the particle size and contaminants as well in every batch that's made. Means that our products are brand leaders out there in the marketplace.
How many litres of herbicide do you make here on average in a year?
Oh, at the moment we are making about 4 million a year.
And what is the most popular product? What do you make the most of?
Volume wise, maximum I would say Metamitron, then Fenmedifarm, then Debrinol. These are the 3 top products.
And where do you send the product to from this site? Where in the world does the product go to?
Poland is one of the big market. Then Central Eastern Europe is a combination of Czech, Slovak, Hungary, Romania, all those countries. Then UK as well. And we also do for France and Germany. Some product like Debrinol, Fluroxypyr, Quidam, and Spain a little bit as well.
Perfect. And how many people are working on the site here with you?
28.
And how long have you been working at this site, Vivek?
At this site I joined in January 2006, so it's 18 years now, will be 19 years in 4 months time. And with UPL I've been working for the last 30 years.
So this morning's event basically is PCN Action Scotland, and we're at Barnyards Farm in Scotland, and it's a working farm. Lots of people here today. So, happy Yorkshire Day everybody. It's Holcott Marketing's open day today, and in true Yorkshire form it's raining. Yay! It should set to clear later. And if you can see behind me, that is where Yorkshire Wills, where most of Yorkshire's seed potato production is grown. And then if you go behind me, I'm going to turn around, here's where we are. There's some really amazing plots all set up here, and as usual, all the gang's here.